my bed. Ain't gotta be, hey, gotta be chill like a Sunday. Never wanna look Thursday. But your drip got me feeling where you at. Make you feel love. Then it gotta be, hey, gotta be chill like a Sunday. Then it gotta be.
Hey Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we are back with another video. Yes, we are back with another video. And as you guys saw by the title, we have September's BoxyCharm base box unboxing. So if you want to see what I got for September in my BoxyCharm, then just keep on watching. Alright, so this is what it's looking like when I open it. Again, the theme is BTS, back to school, behind the scenes, one or the other, BTS. And on the back you have information about the products. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I see is in this little pouch, which I'm going to assume is brushes. This is from Elena Badro. I'm probably butchering that, but this is it. So this is Elena Badro Baby Blue set. It says, this set masterfully creates a seamlessly flawless makeup application, contour, blend, and define with these 3 limited edition decadent synthetic makeup brushes. Travel or store your brushes in style with a luxurious tan pouch. I actually really like this color, and the pouch is pretty nice. So it's a 3-piece brush set. So I'm gonna take them out the plastic. Okay, so you have like a little flat, like definer brush that's angled, a little blending brush. They are really soft bristles, and then like a contour brush, really soft, really nice. So the next product is from St. Lux, and it looks like this. It says St. Lux Beauty Brow Gel. Oh, the brush set retails for $58. Would I pay that? Probably not. For 3 brushes, that's ridiculous. This retails for $22. It says, bow down to your brows. This brow gel glides on effortlessly, leaving your brows looking fuller and giving them the perfect shape. The short brow brush will give you precise placement on your of your brows, and the lightweight gel has no residue when dry. So that's pretty cool. The packaging is pretty nice. I mean, it's just a cardboard box, but the color and stuff looks nice. And then this is what it looks like. Let's see what the brush looks like. Cute short little brush. It says it's clear. So the next product is from Dr. Brandt. It's their triple antioxidant eye cream. This retails for $46. That is crazy, and this is a new launch. And the brush set is Boxy exclusive. This is a new launch. That's cool that they're including that now. I have so many eye creams, it's ridiculous, but you can never have too much skincare. Like, skincare is always a plus, but I feel like I have this already or had it. So that is what it looks like. I may stick this in a giveaway, so I'm not even going to open it or try it. I'm just going to put this to the side. The next product is from Real Her. It says Gold Digger Moisturizing Lipstick, and this is in the shade Terracotta. And this retails for $18. So I'm going to assume it's a terracotta shade because that's the name of the shade. Oh my gosh. The packaging on this is gorgeous. Do I have to twist it? Like, what's happening right now? Oh, the packaging on this is secure. That's a really pretty shade. Really pretty, definitely pretty for the holidays. And then the last product is from Blink. This is the Glow Getter Face Palette, and this retails for $50. This is a Boxy exclusive. So it shows you on the packaging the shades. Let's see if the shades are on the actual carton. So on the actual palette, it does not have the shades in the back, but it does have the names on the inside, and there is a nice sized mirror. So yeah, these are really pretty shades. For me, it comes with 3 blushes, and I can use this like as a bronzer contour shade, and then 4 highlighters. These are really, really pretty. I kind of want to try something from this palette. What should I try? let's go in with the shade. We're gonna go in with the shade Accomplished, which is this pink right here, and use that for blush. I have blush on already, but it is a little faded, so picked up. Ooh, that's a pretty like baby pink. Very pigmented. I always do this. All right, let's add a little bit of the bronzer just to try the formula. So we're gonna take the bronzer shade, which is called Ambitious. Just dip in there. This is a very like powdery palette. So even though it is powdery, the pigment is definitely there. Oh my god, too much, too much. Okay, I think I've gone a bit crazy. I'm looking a bit crazy now. And for the sake or for the hell of it, heck, whatever you want to say, let's play around with the highlighter. I'm going to take the shade Brilliant, which is this shade right here. It's like a golden shade. And we're just going to apply that. Oh, that's really pretty. I do, or I did have highlighter on already, but I really do like this palette. It is super pigmented, but it does blend out really easily. I may have went a bit crazy with the bronzer and the blush, but it's okay. I'm not going anywhere. Should we try the lipstick? I'm not gonna try the lipstick because I feel like it doesn't even go with this look. We can try the St. Luxe Brow Gel because it's clear, so why not? Not too bad. And then there's the brushes. So overall, I would give this box like a 9.5. Actually, I'd probably give it a 10. I actually like everything that I got. Like the brow gel, the palette, the lipstick, the brushes, even the eye cream. Even though I'm going to put it in a giveaway, I just have way too much like skincare. So for that reason, I'm putting it in a giveaway. But overall, I quite enjoyed this box like a lot. So that brings this BoxyCharm video to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a thumbs up, comment down below. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn your post notifications on so you guys can stay notified every time I upload. So before we end the video, I did want to update you guys and let you guys know that I finally finished my tattoo that I had gotten dedicated to me and my children. So it's still wrapped. I take the wrap off on Monday. So yeah, I got the owl filled in and the roses filled in. I was gonna do a blue rose for my son, but I figured it'd just look more cohesive if I got them both red. So yeah, I don't know if you guys saw the previous video where I was telling you about the first time. I have my daughter's name here, Raina, my son's name, Blake. Each rose stands for them, and I'm supposed to be the owl. Basically, I'm supposed to be looking over them, holding on to them. You know, I'm the mama owl that watches everything. I am super obsessed with this tattoo, and I love my tattoo artist. I already did a consult for my next tattoo, so stay tuned for that. And I will say, getting tatted is a bit addicting. Like, once you get one, you just want to keep going. I got this when I turned like 21, I think, or 18. I really don't remember. No, probably when I turned 18, because I was still living in the city when I got this. And ever since I got the butterfly tattoo, as you can see, I do want to get the blue touched up and the smoke. Ever since I got this tattoo, I wanted another one, so I finally went out and got another one, and I'm already scheduled for another one after this. So I can't wait to get that one and show you guys that one. I'm gonna leave that a surprise until I get it. So yeah, I'm super stoked that I got it finally finished. It looks really nice. And again, my tattoo artist is dope. Her name is Anne, and she's really, really freaking nice. She's cool as hell, and she is really fast as far as tattooing goes. She did this in 2 sessions. She did like the outlining in the first session, and then she filled everything in the second session. And it was like, everyone has their own pain tolerance as far as like needles and tattoos go. For me, it was a breeze. I was like falling asleep. I'm not really sure how that works. I hate, like, I'm a type 2 diabetic. I hate giving myself just the freaking shot or checking my blood sugar. But tattooing didn't hurt for some reason. I don't know. Apparently it's a different type of needle. Like, when you get tattooed, it's not like going like really deep in the skin. It's like there's layers of skin that is like penetrating compared to like an actual needle that goes inside your skin. But yeah, I'm going off topic. Overall, I am in love with it, and yeah. Now we'll move on to the regular outro. And on that note, I hope you guys are staying safe, staying blessed, having an amazing day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.
Can you play that again? Give me some fire, baby.